Hello everyone, so today I will be presenting a short story entitled Love by Kai Nip Mauthausen based on our discussion with my partner Nurdiana. So in this video, I'm going to cover 7 key points starting with a main idea. So I will start with the first point, which is main idea. The most important message of this story is the power and loyalty of love, even in the animal kingdom. The author wants us to feel a deep sense of empathy and reflection on how devotion can sometimes be stronger than the instinct to survive. It matches my own thought that love is a universal language that exists beyond humans. Next is the topic of this story. The topic is about a hunting trip in a frozen marsh that turns into a tragic lesson about love. Basically, the plot is very clear, and the author described the setting so well that I could feel the atmosphere. The story developed linearly, starting from preparation for the hunt until the emotional climax. Next, we move to character. My favorite character are actually the pair of birds. Even though they are animal, they show the more emotion than the hunters. I also like the narrator because he feel a heavy hurt. At the end, he showing that he is sensitive. Proof from the text is the male bird forgot its own safety. It forgot the danger. It only remember love. So the author tried to show the main message through the action of the male bird. After the female is shot, the male doesn't fly away to save itself. Instead, it circles back and cries. This action is very valuable because nature often shows strong bond between men. This story is different from the hunting stories because it focuses on the sadness of the kill rather than the thrill of the hunt. The story is organized perfectly with a clear beginning, middle, and the end of each story. So far, the line of the story it held my interest because the description of the call were very vivid, and I wanted to see if the second bird would escape. Is about the author of this story. The story was originally written by Guy de Maupassant, a famous French writer known for his short stories. Knowing that he often wrote about human nature and realism helped me to understand why the story feels so raw and honest. Last but not least is about what I learned from this story. I understood better that loyalty and grief are not just human emotion, but they are part of all living things. This book taught me to have more respect for nature. I would like to recommend this book to all my friends because the English is very easy to understand, but the meaning is very deep. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.
I just had to let you know you're